Ladies and gentlemen, Sachin Vaze's boss, Parambir Singh, has been transferred and sent to handle the Maharashtra Home Guard. The new police chief admits there is a need to rebuild the dented and tainted image of the police force. The focus of the country is now on that Lutyens media group that joined hands with Parambir and Vaze to plant fake stories. Parambir and Vaze's media handlers in Lutyens are answerable to the people of the country as the truth begins to come out. Let's debate.
For the last 9 months, Sachin Vaze has had a free run in Mumbai. He was given the de facto number 2.
Please come out. Please come. Please come. Please come. Why you are closing the door?
Sachin Vaze was given all the high-profile cases and he ruled the Mumbai police headquarters.
Our CEO has been arrested, Vikas Kanchandani. I'm with Republic.
Camera out.
Yeah.
Camera out.
Yeah. Sir, he has been cooperating with the summons. Why have you arrested him in such a fashion? He has been interrogated for over 100 hours, sir.
First to go, get out of this.
If you don't
First to get out of this. First to get out of this. Get out of this.
Yes.
First to get out of this.
But this visual from outside Antilia, the Ambani residence, was the end of his free run.
ये पता होते हुए भी कि 2017 में इन्हीं सचिन वाजे के ऊपर एक्सटॉर्शन का केस लगा और उसमें बिल्कुल रिकॉर्ड पर यह आया है कि इस रैकेट में ये और इनके एक और साथी ये बड़े एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट करते थे.
Vaze didn't operate alone. Even the state knew that he couldn't have done what he had done in 9 months without this man's consent. Parambir Singh.
Parambir Singh, even before he could have completed his tenure, he has to leave because remember, somewhere down the line, question of accountability, the question of propriety becomes extremely important, and that's where perhaps Mr. Parambir Singh has fallen short of.
For the last 9 months, when Vaze was at the CIU at Crime Branch, he was the darling of the Lutyens media, planting fake stories which they lapped up while damaging the credibility of the Mumbai police.
The Mumbai police is undergoing a turmoil because of some bad instances which have occurred. However, I assure you that with help of my officers and staff, right from constable to all levels, and with your active support, we will do the corrections.
But the deeper conspiracy is unraveling as Vaze's role becomes clearer. From the CCTV footage to the possible murder of Mansukh Hiren, now being studied by the NIA.
ये इतने रुमाल उनके मुंह में कैसे आए? ये ऐसी जगह पर है कि जिससे बिल्कुल स्पष्ट रूप से दिखता है कि कहीं ना कहीं बहुत दबा के बांधा गया है, पर पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट में उनके लंग्स में पानी नहीं है और ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. अगर पानी में गिरकर वो मरे तो लंग्स में भरपूर पानी होना चाहिए.
Tonight, conspiracies have failed and Team Republic is grateful to every viewer and supporter who stood up in this fight for justice and the fight for truth. Let's debate.